Greetings, libtards and climatard panicans. You probably don't know this, but this is our South Pole of the planet Earth. 1958, January 1st, 1958. That's the warmest time of the year. That's summertime now. I'm going to show you the changes in size of the South Pole over the last 50 years or so. Look at one spot. I choose this one here because you can see it just barely goes over the Arctic Circle line. Now, as we look at different pictures, stay focused on this spot right here. You'll see sometimes it goes over a little bit and sometimes it goes right on the line. So it fluctuates just a little bit. So here we go. January 1st, 1958, 7 a.m. And I want to go for January or December, where it's the hottest time of the year. There we go, 12/31, 1963. Take a good look there. As you'll see, it really hasn't changed at all. And here's the year, date. And looks like it might have shrunk just a little bit there. $1970. Might have shrunk a tiny bit. By the way, you don't need a doctorate degree in climatology to use your eyes. And 1972, December 31, about the same. I'm going to go only with January or December. There we go, January 24, 1976. Still about the same. Okay, December 14, 1981. Still about the same. In 1983, December 14, about the same. December 31, 1984. Looks like it grew a little bit. Looks like it got a little bit wider. $1985. Still wider and larger. So as you can see, it fluctuates. That's why I'm staying focused on December or January, the same time of year every year. Okay, that's 1985, 1986. Looks like it's starting to shrink a little bit. We're all gonna die. Ah. And December 31st, 1987, about the same size. 1980, December 31, 1988. About the same size, maybe a little bit larger, maybe grown a little bit. And again, grown a little bit in 1989. 1990. Now the rest of these, they're going to do them all on December 31st. Okay, 1990. Again, about the same. 91. May have shrunk a little bit. Yeah, looks like it did. It's almost touching the yellow line. 92. About the same as last year. 93. About the same. 94. About the same. It looks like it's getting a little wider though. So expanding a little bit. 95. Yeah, expanding it a little bit there. 96. Yeah. Yeah, you can see some expansion here and here and here. It's kind of closing together, growing together. So a little bit of expansion. 97. Yeah, same thing as last year. 98. Yep, about the same. 1999. Yeah, still solid. Little branches have grown together, so it's expanded over the last few years. 2000. Still about the same size. A little bigger than usual. 2001. Same thing. 2002. Still about the same. Notice where, again, where that yellow line is. The Arctic Circle. 2003. Still about the same. Still about the same. 2004. 2005. About the same. It looks like it might be a little bit wider here. This area has come forward a little bit. It's grown a little bit. Not a lot, nothing amazing, but a little bit. In 2006. About the same. 2007. Same. 2008. Excuse me. Maybe starting, maybe shrinking a little bit there. We're all going to die. In 2009, about the same as last year. 2010. Same. 2011. Looks like it's grown together here a little bit, meaning it's the fingers of ice have kind of grown together, so it's getting a little bit wider. Small amount of growth there. And 2012. Yeah, real solid here, all the way across. All that area is grown in. 2013. Same, we're all gonna die. Okay. 2014. Looks like it's getting a little smaller there. Yeah, we're doomed. New York will be underwater next year. The Statue of Liberty will be underwater. 15. Oh, that's okay. Looks like it's growing back again. 2016. Yeah, looks like it's growing a little bit again. 2017. Notice those little points have grown together. This is all grown together here. And it's a little bit over the line, so it looks like it's grown a little bit there. And 2018. About the same. 2019. About the same. Notice here those little peninsulas of ice have kind of grown together. Same thing over here. So it looks like it's actually growing a little bit. 2020. Okay. And this is all the data that exists for now. And, these are taken by NASA, NOAA, and another one called Landsat Copernicus. I believe that's a European satellite. Okay, freeze this image in your mind here. And now let's go back to 1958. Since 1958, it's grown a bit. Remember, these were up closer. No. This looks like it's full, and that looks like it's so. Really, in the last 60 years, it hasn't changed much at all.